Two nearby homes just sold for $550,000 and $558,000. And this updated Arroyo Grande home is coming on market for $549,000. Welcome to 280 Spruce Street, located directly across from the park and the Soto Sports Complex. Inside the home, featuring soaring vaulted ceilings, brand new flooring throughout, fresh interior paint, and a bright open layout that feels surprisingly spacious. And here's what makes this home really interesting. A neighboring unit with the same floor plan recently sold for $550,000. Another unit just 2 doors down sold for $558,000. And this one is coming on market at $549,000. The private balcony features a brand new sliding glass door. And when you're ready to get out and explore, you're only minutes from the village of Arroyo Grande and roughly 10 minutes from Pismo Beach. If you've been looking for an updated Arroyo Grande home that combines lifestyle, location, and value, this one's the one you gotta see before it's gone. So reach out and let's make your California dreams come true.